Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into device settings, scroll down, choose system over here, click on languages and input, virtual keyboard and Gboard. Then go into theme and tap on show mode to see all available ones. When you're ready, click on one of those images, click on the switcher next to keyboarders, come on. Okay, so we'll try with one of those colors. Okay, now you can click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and click apply. Then when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!